Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new video for you guys, a cleaning video. I'm gonna show you how I speed cleaning my apartment. If it is your first time being here, don't forget to subscribe. Just hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Hey guys, first thing first, I'm starting off my bedroom. I'm making my bed first because I just realized like whenever I make my bed first time in the morning, I'm having a good day. The flow is just going. My day is just productive. But I don't usually do that because sometimes I'm just being lazy. And you know guys, I'm just trying to be better at it. So I'm just trying to be better.
I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And you may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us.
Alright guys, this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it and give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys like this type of content, just comment down below and I will get back at you. Alright, bye guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.